In this video, we'll be discussing how Matic could have a big move all the way to $2.45 and perhaps even continue onward to $3.
Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango.
Good morning, guys. My name is Sean Dexter, and I welcome you back to the Mango Grove for your daily analysis video. The altcoins are pumping regardless of Bitcoin's dumping, and this is the market where the altcoiners are thriving. And my oh my, what a beautiful morning it is. We have Matic right over here pumping. I was actually supposed to be covering a Bitcoin and Cardano video this morning, but my alerts for Matic did go off, and my oh my, was I happy to see this one go through, because I was a bit hesitant on this trade. By the way, for those of you who missed yesterday's live stream, I really recommend watching yesterday's live stream. We did talk about how we were going to be increasing the acceleration on our altcoin positions regardless of the rest of the market thinking otherwise, right? So we talked about how that it is time to be looking for strength across all the altcoins. While a lot of coins are looking bad, yes, it's time to focus in and laser in and zone in on the coins that were looking good regardless of what Bitcoin was doing, and Matic was one of them. And I do want to give a shout out and a thank you to a particular seedling. He doesn't want to be named, but he is the one who actually approached me and said, hey Sean, I know you mentioned that you're not interested in trading Matic because of the order book and how illiquid it can be, but he's like, you may want to take a look again because there has been volume showing up on that order book. And I did take a look and I was like, okay, damn, this is now a tradable asset. Then I looked at the chart again. I'm like, okay, this is consolidating in a methodical fashion as well. And I'm realizing now that I'm ranting without any TA whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we are starting with the Matic Bitcoin pairing, and with the Matic Bitcoin pairing, the way I'm trading it is just through a trend trade, right? I'm not looking for too many targets. All I'm looking for is consolidation, trend break, continuation, consolidation, trend break, continuation. I'm fine with its Bitcoin pairing trending up, but I want to keep an eye on the USD pairing in terms of targets, and that's what we're going to be covering right after we finish our Bitcoin analysis over here. So there's not much to cover. It's trending really well. We had a consolidation around the dynamic right over here. Let me go ahead and highlight it for you guys right over here. Now this was an interesting zone, right? This zone over here. This is what I was looking for Matic to actually break towards the upside before I get really aggressive. So before that, in my opinion, there were two areas to be looking for a position over here, right? On these two higher lows, you want to be accumulating along the dynamic over there and above the op dot. Now you don't really need the dynamic to come up with those levels, right? As soon as this higher low was put in, you could have been like, okay, cool, I'm going to draw a horizontal right on these candle closes, and then I'm going to be accumulating as close to that level as possible. After that, you want to be drawing a horizontal at these candle closes, and you want to tell yourself, okay, that's my first position I already got in at the lower level. The second position I want to be getting in is somewhere around here, right above the next horizontal, this level that we just marked in at around 3,609 Satoshi. But personally for me, I don't like to get that aggressive right over there, especially because this candle was already put in when I started looking to get into this trade, right? So I was like, okay, I want this candle as well now, this horizontal level at 3,732 Satoshi to really break before I get in the big position and really add aggressively. Does this always work out? No. You guys saw how on my dot trade, it kind of backfired on me, right? If I got in my entire position earlier, it would have been a lot better because dot did retrace. Now for Matic, it's working out beautifully, and again though, remember, it doesn't always work out this beautifully, but I'm really liking what I'm seeing over here on the Matic Bitcoin pairing on the 4-hour time frame. We can go ahead and take a look at the weekly pairing, but it's just one big freaking candle up. Yeah, let's switch on over to the USD pairing. All right, so before we go ahead and look at the Matic USD chart, let's take a quick look at the dashboard and see what the dashboard is telling us. And I really should have started this analysis with the dashboard, because I pretty much start of my day, especially when I'm looking for new coin opportunities, by looking at the dashboard first. So let's go ahead and just filter out for Matic. And remember, I taught you guys a little neat trick to find opportunities when looking for trend continuations or trend breaks, right? So if you're looking for trend continuations in a strong market, for example, you won't be looking for an asset that has, for example, on the 2-day, right, Matic is still long. It's been long for 19 days. The daily is still long. It's been long for 8 days. On the 12-hour, it's still long. It's been long for 8 days, right? 8.6 days. And what is this telling you? It's telling you that, one, the trend has, the long-term trend is bullish. And regardless of what Bitcoin is doing, it's holding its strength, right? It's holding its strength on the daily, on the 2-day, on the 12-hour. But now what you want to look for is a pullback, right? A consolidation. Because remember, guys, impulsive move is your trend leg. Then you go into consolidation, which could be a downtrend or a consolidation neutral trend on the lower time frames. So when you see the lower time frames go into a neutral or short trend, but the higher time frames are long, that could be a buy opportunity. And I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. So it's still, Matic USD is still in a neutral trend for the last 4 hours against its USD pairing, right? For the last 1.5 days on the 4-hour time frame. It's sitting at $1.95. I don't think this is going to, I think this, by the time you guys probably watch this video, this is likely going to switch from neutral to long, because Matic 1 did have a break, and especially if it starts clearing that $2 resistance level, I'm pretty sure, actually we did close a 4-hour candle a few minutes ago, so this is likely going to update very, very soon. I'll be interested to see if I'm right on that prediction of this switching from neutral to long, or perhaps it'll take another 4-hour candle. Let's go ahead and wait for that. But look at that, Matic Bitcoin, right, did switch long only 7 hours ago, right? The Bitcoin pairing did switch long only 7 hours ago. So the right time to have been getting into this trade, in my opinion, was 1.5 days ago, essentially 2 days ago over the weekend. Why? Because, well, the Bitcoin pairing as well as the USD pairing were both sitting in a neutral / short trend, while the high time frames were all long. So yeah, that's the dashboard. Matic is telling us that it's the dashboard telling us that Matic is really, really strong across the high time frames, and now the lower time frames are switching to long yet again. Let's switch on over to the charts right away, and here we have Matic USD, and there we go, right? We just closed the 4-hour candle. It's not updated on the dashboard just yet. I should probably just refresh the page, because I haven't refreshed it since the beginning of this analysis. But we did close a 4-hour candle. We did close it above I actually did not expect this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did not expect us to close a 4-hour candle above the $2 mark, and we actually did that. That's actually really, really bullish, because the $2 mark was likely going to be a psychological level, right? But that being said, guys, this is the 4-hour time frame, okay? I'm not saying it's not important, but the way I'm trading this right now is that I want to keep a more keener eye on the 12-hour time frame, because Matic is trending very beautifully on the 12-hour. So you guys can see this horizontal line that I have marked over here as well. It says 12 hours. So I'm looking at the 12-hour for big trend consolidations and continuations with 1-hour breaks, right? When I say that, what I mean is I'm looking for the 1-hour levels to give you an early entry on trend breaks into the next impulsive move. And we can go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame really quickly, and you can see how it's been really methodical on its 1-hour time frame as well, right? Nice candle close highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, flattened out, a nice ascending triangle structure right over here. Let me just go ahead and clear this out for you guys to see it clearly. Ascending triangle, broke the ascending triangle, then we start having our trend continuation and taking out our prior lower highs, and now new high retested, right? Continuation. Now we just closed a 1-hour candle, and in fact we closed a 4-hour candle, so that's a really, really good candle close, and it looks like Matic does want to reach to our next target. I am looking for that 12-hour candle close above the $2 mark, but Matic's already sitting at $2.11, looking really, really good. So the question now is what is your next target, Sean? Well, let's keep it simple and say $2.50, right? We cleared $2, so next obvious target is $2.50. If you guys want to get get a little bit more granular on it, I'll be looking at around $2.41, right? $2.40 to $2.41. We could see a wick up to the next psychological level at around $2.50, but that $2.40 mark is the next major level that I'll be looking for a 12-hour candle close, right? If you do see that, then we can talk about our next targets, and you guys will have to wait for the next video after that. But the next level, next psychological level, obvious level is going to be $3, right? But for now, major level for Matic to be breaking is around $2.40, and that alone is going to be a really nice win, guys. From around let's say you got in at around the highs, right? That's going to be a good 30% win. Oh, by the way, guys, there is another trick you can do to go ahead and find a mid target between two levels. Essentially, take your previous level over here. We'll use this high right over here at around $1.88, and our next level, which is around $2.40, and just go ahead and mark out your midpoint, which coincidentally enough is coming in at around $2.14. Matic has pushed up right up against it. I'm not going to be drawing that level over here because I want my chart to be a little bit neat, and I'm not even going to be trading that level, right? And we already come up and hit it already, so it's kind of irrelevant and redundant to be drawing it over here at the moment. But you guys can go ahead and use this technique for your future trades and future opportunities where you might want to be looking to take profits, or perhaps you want to be entering at the middle of the range. You want to use it as a cautionary approach, right? You want to make sure that the middle range is broken before you go ahead and trade the next bit of the range. So over here, let's say I'm looking to enter Matic. I'd be like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna enter above $2.14 to $2.15 and take the trade from $2.15 to around $2.45, right? So you have your range trade over there. If you're a trend trader, a lot of this is kind of it's questionable as to whether you want to use it. You're balancing adding more complexity to and taking away that stress-free mindset that we like to shoot at Mango, right? Shoot forward to you guys at Mango. But hey, that's it for the Matic video. Again, targets to the upside are $2.40. After that, I'll be looking towards $3. Towards the downside, I should talk about downside targets because there's a possibility that this may retrace, right? When does Matic start looking ugly? Essentially, when we start closing candles underneath $1.50. So yeah, there's a lot that needs to happen for Matic to start looking ugly. When does it go back into consolidation neutral, where we have to be like, okay, cool, this trend continuation failed, or it's already kind of hit its move and it's back into a consolidation phase? There are two conditions. One, we break back underneath $1.71, but we hold $1.52, right? So essentially, we start living between $1.71 and $1.52, right? We're gone back into consolidation. So it's not ugly, but it's not super bullish anymore either. The second condition is if we start spending time over here and we start consolidating above $2 without seeing a break of that $2.15 mark, right? If we spend too much time within $2 and $2.15, then again, we're going back into consolidation, okay? Or you could just simply look at the dashboard and wait for the dashboard to switch into consolidation, and you'll have an idea. But again, I really don't recommend doing that. Combine it with your own analysis, guys. Remember, we like to use a holistic approach for our trading, so that way we have more confidence and we're not relying on one single tool, right? You never want to centralize your indicators and your tools for your trading either. So with that, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be covering Bitcoin. If you guys are in the seed program, I did post something really interesting in regards to Bitcoin I posted some screenshots in the private chat. But I will be covering Bitcoin today if I can. Do I have the time? I think I do have the time, as well as Cardano in the same video. So stay tuned for that. Right after this one, it should be coming up. Oh, hey, should I do it on a live stream instead? Ooh, the live streams get a bit exhausting. But hey, for now, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. My name's Sean Dexter. See you guys in the next one. Do it, Mango. Do the stress-free way. Do it the easy way. Bye.